Hey everyone, welcome back to VIP Auto TV. Today we have something special for you, the all-new 2026 Dacia Sandman camper. Dacia is known for its budget-friendly, no-nonsense approach, and with the Sandman, they're bringing that same philosophy into the camper world. Is this the ultimate affordable getaway vehicle? Let's find out. Design and exterior. At first glance, the Sandman looks rugged yet compact, built on the same platform as the Duster, but with a stretched wheelbase to maximize interior space. The front features Dacia's new LED lighting signature, while the black cladding around the wheel arches gives it an off-road ready stance. The two-tone paint job with optional adventure graphics really makes it pop. Camping setup and interior. Now, the real magic happens at the back. Open the tailgate, and you're greeted with a cleverly designed camping setup. The modular bed system folds neatly into the rear seats, providing enough space to sleep two adults comfortably. Beneath it, Dacia has integrated smart storage compartments for cooking gear, clothes, and even a compact fridge. And check this out, a pull-out kitchenette with a gas stove and a small sink. Simple, practical, and perfect for weekend getaways. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the Sandman offers two engine options. A 1.3L turbocharged petrol engine with 130 horsepower and a mild hybrid system for better efficiency. A 1.5L diesel engine that delivers great torque and over 50 miles per gallon. Ideal for longer adventures. Power goes to the front wheels as standard, but for those who love off-road trails, Dacia offers an optional all-wheel drive system. Off-road capability. The Sandman isn't just for city streets, it's built for adventure. With 200 mm of ground clearance and a reinforced suspension, it handles dirt roads and rocky paths with ease. Plus, the lightweight body keeps fuel efficiency high without compromising durability. Technology and features. Inside, Dacia focuses on practicality. The cabin is simple but functional, with durable materials that can handle a bit of mud and sand. You get a 10-inch infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with USB-C ports and a 12V socket to keep your devices charged. But the best part? A roof-mounted solar panel that keeps your auxiliary battery charged while you're off the grid. Safety features. Dacia has stepped up its game in safety, equipping the Sandman with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, 360 degrees camera for navigating tight camping spots. Price and value. Dacia's main selling point has always been affordability, and the Sandman is no exception. The base model starts at just $25,000, making it one of the most budget-friendly campers on the market. Even with all the adventure-ready options, it stays well below what most other camper vans cost. Final thoughts. So, who is the Dacia Sandman for? If you love road trips, camping, or just the idea of spontaneous weekend getaways without breaking the bank, this could be your perfect travel companion. It's not a luxury RV, but it delivers where it matters. Practicality, efficiency, and affordability. What do you think? Would you take the Sandman on your next adventure? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more car reviews. Until next time, happy exploring!